As you can see, we've got one of the guys stuck on the way out here, so it's in a bit of a sticky situation. It's going to be a bit hard for us to get a car down safely to hook up to him. So we're dragging the old winch rope out. We'll go find ourselves a nice strong tree up here, throw a tree trunk protector around, just give him a bit of assistance to get himself out of it. So it's the joys of having to be the person outside. Somebody has to run the rope out at some point. We've got about a 3-ton vehicle down there, so I'm trying to pick a nice sturdy tree. So I've got a beautiful big gum tree right here. Nice solid root base there. We're going to put that tree trunk protector around it nice and low down around the root base so there's no leverage against the tree. So obviously I don't want to pick a tree over to the right or over to the left, because as that winch rope tensions up, it's just going to pull the vehicle in the direction of that winch rope. So just throwing the soft D-shackle on here. Unfortunately, the eye hook he's got on his winch rope's a bit small to go through both our eyelets and safely close that gate, so we've got a nice secure hook. So I've thrown the soft shackle on there. I can now safely get around that shackle, close that loop off so it's nicely, safely locked off there. Well, now we're right to go. So now that I've got this strap hooked up, we're now live on this strap. So at no point do I want to see anybody stepping over this strap, going anywhere near it, because you don't know what's going to happen. If that car's going to slip, he's going to take up that winch rope, tension comes up on that strap, that's where people get injured. I wander down and throw a dampener on it, and then I'll help him take up the slack before we can get him out of this bog. So noticed I've come about halfway down our winch rope here that we've got out. I'm just throwing that dampener on there. Got a full of a few leaves and that just to help it with a bit of weight. So if something was to go wrong here, the dampener is going to take any of the stretch out of that, drop it down safely in between the tree and the vehicle that's doing the recovery, and nobody's going to get injured.